Welcome. In this short and simple video, I'll show how you can copy and paste on Android. So at the start, find whatever text or message or whatever is that you would like to copy. Now make the following gesture: double tap on the text to select all of it. As you can see, those two limiting cursors appeared, by moving which you are able to edit your selection, change how much of the text you want to be actually selected. And once you let your finger go, this little context menu appears that allows you to copy whatever is selected on the screen. Now when it comes to pasting stuff, it is even easier. You just gotta open your keyboard, then open any text field that you'd like to paste the item from your clipboard to, and then tap on it once to open the context menu, or actually twice. Let's check. Or actually, yeah, my bad, guys. You need to tap and hold, and then somewhat the same context menu appears with only one option, that is past. So tap on it, and that's how you copy and paste on Android devices generally. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.